So we're going to be looking at what are Genopets. So tech deep dives on Coinmarketcap Alexandria, article by Daniel Phillips, is your boy Akahilz here. So guys, if you're not subscribed, click on the subscribe button down below this video. A big red subscribe button. It gives you access to be able to turn on notifications whenever we drop beneficial uploads. So now on news, it said Genopets is an upcoming play-to-earn game being built on the Solana blockchain. It aims to incentivize players to help better take care of their minds and body through the clever use of blockchain technology and progressive gameplay mechanics. So the game is the first to leverage the unique properties of blockchain technology and non-forgeable tokens. The NFTs to reward players for staying active. It features two distinct tokens. Gene, which is primarily used for governance and staking, and KI, which is used as an in-game currency. Beyond this, most assets are represented as NFTs, which are fully player-owned and tradable. So Genopets was co-founded by Albert Chen and Benjamin TCA. Chen is a serial entrepreneur that has expertise in engineering. So looking at how does Genopets work, so Genopets is centered around unique digital creators that are designed to grow and evolve based on the real-world decisions of its owners. So by sharing personal data, completing challenges, the potential of each Genopet can be developed, increasing its stats and better by preparing it for battle. So Genopet is majorly a game. There are lots of perks here. We have the trainer, merchant, landlord features on the game. So these features enable you to get access to loads of perks. This is the official Twitter, and it says with NFTs we can build a community before we even launch the game. This fosters creativity, feedback, as well as helps lead to a more successful launch by the community. So some of the most important NFT types on the platform, we have refined crystals, habitats, and more. There's also a demo version here which is available if you want to check on it, and the white paper. So guys, this is basically some of the uniqueness of this feature. It is free to play and is built on Solana, variable and mobile integration, move to earn, sustainable vesting schedules, more play to earn, and more. So guys, that's all. I should buy keys. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. See you in a future upload, and one love.